So, welcome to this class. We want to start our class, right? Age, and I am searching for roll number 2. Are you present here, roll number 2? I'm not. Till now, there is no roll number 2. Where is roll number 2? Please inform him to attend this class. Now, we would start our discussion. We are talking about the symptoms of the ear, and one of these symptoms is the weakness in the face or the facial palsy. Only 12 present. Ifadul, roll number 2. Ifadul. So we want to go to our slides. Here is the facial nerve. You can see that there are different branches of facial nerve. For you have to draw and level the course of the facial nerve for your written exam. Here we can see the terminal branches of the facial nerve, that are the motor branches of facial nerve. 15, only 15 present here. Here is the motor branches of facial nerve. We can name these branches. Can you see my cursor? Here is the temporal branch of the facial nerve. Here is the zygomatic branch of the facial nerve. Here is the buccal branch of the facial nerve. Here is the mandibular branch of the facial nerve. In this picture, you can see that buccal branch is two segments, this and this. These two nerves are named as buccal branch. And this is the mandibular branch of the facial nerve. And finally, this is the cervical branch of the facial nerve. These terminal branches supply the muscles of facial expression. Here we see the muscles of facial expression, and here are the branches of the facial nerve. Here we see that there is the temporal branch. This temporal branch of the facial nerve supplies this upper part, like the frontalis muscles, this orbicularis oculi muscle, and corrugator supercilii. Here remains the corrugator supercilii. These muscles around the eye and forehead, this is supplied by the temporal branch of the facial nerve. And the zygomatic branch supplies this orbicularis oculi muscle. So these two branches supplies the upper part of the face. Here we see that there is the nerve, and this is the temporal branch. This is the zygomatic branch. This temporal branch supplies the frontalis, orbicularis oculi, and corrugator supercilii. And this zygomatic branch supplies this part, and especially in the orbicularis oculi muscle. Now the buccal branch and the mandibular branch. The buccal branch supplies the muscles around the mouth. Around the mouth, the muscles are the orbicularis oris. This muscle is orbicularis oris. This is the buccinator, and these are the zygomaticus major and minor. These all three muscles are supplied with the buccal branch of the facial nerve. And the mandibular branch, that name is the margin mandibular, sometimes the margin mandibular. The mandibular branch or margin mandibular branch of the facial nerve is supplied the muscle of the lower lip, like the depressor uh, depressor labii inferioris, depressor angulioris, and the mentalis.